Good morning, students. Today we are going to read a new topic in mathematics, that is Basic Algebra. So concentrate yourself. We are going to solve different kind of questions and we are going to understand different kind of concepts in this topic as far as your papers are concerned. So come now. So now we are going to solve the first category, the first form of this question, simple algebra. This question is very famous as far as your paper number 1 is concerned. Definitely one question that is carrying 2 marks or maybe 1 mark or 3 marks always come in the paper. So concentrate yourself. This kind of question is of the form like ABC's values will be given, like variable values will be given, and an equation will be given and you will be required to find the value of that equation. So like A is 3, B 2, C minus 1 is given and we are required to solve the equations, to evaluate them. So look now, in first part we are going to put the values. A is 3, so 3 cube plus B, that is 2 cube, plus C is minus 1 cube minus 2 A B C. So A's value is 3, B's value is 2 and C's value is minus 1. So we have put the values into the equation and now we will solve it. So 3 cube is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, plus 2 cube is 8. Because 1 is having a power that is odd number, so minus will not be absorbed, it will come out. So minus plus minus, and 1's cube is 1. Now here this minus minus will become plus. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12 and 12 1s are 12. So from this stage we just simple the values. So 27 plus 8 will be 35, minus 1 will be 34, plus 12 will be 46. So this is the answer. Now come to this part. Again same values are going to be placed in the equation. So 3 into A's value is 3 minus B, B's value is 2 over B minus C, B's value is 2 minus C's value is minus 1. So be careful, whenever we are having a value that is minus, so we will place the value into the bracket because this minus minus will become plus. So now onward, plus will be there. A is 3 plus, now again look, C's value is minus, so that's why I'm going to put it into bracket. In the denominator, B's value is 2 minus A's value is 3. So we have put the values. So simply you have to be careful whenever you are having a value that is minus, put it into the bracket because that may create an effect, that may create a change. So now onward from here, 3 3s are 9, minus 2 over 2, minus minus plus, 1 is remain here, plus 3 plus minus minus 1 and 2 minus 3. From here onward, 9 minus 2 7, 2 plus 1 3, plus 3 minus 1 2, and in denominator 2 minus 3 minus 1. So this plus minus will become again minus. So minus. So take the LCM here. 3 will be the LCM. So 7 minus 6 and 1 by 3 is the answer. Here is another type of the questions in the lecture. So look now, requirement is simplify. So this question will be of different types. In one type, one variable will be given throughout. For example, only a is given. This is second type, in which more than one type is given, that is singular x is given, x square is given, and x cube are given. So three types of the variables are given. Here is another type in the simplify, is like fractions are given and x, y, and z are given. So now look, we are going to solve it. Because only a is given, so the values will be algebraically added or subtracted, and a will be placed with it. So look now, 5 plus 3 8 minus 6 2, and a will be placed with it. So this is the answer. In this type of the question, because three types of the variables, x cube, x square, and x are given, so first we are going to solve x cube. So look now, 2x cube plus 7x cube will be 9x cube. Now x square values will be solved. So 5x minus 5x square minus 4x square. So minus 5 minus 4 will be minus 9, and x square will be placed with it. And finally, this is the only one value, so it will remain as it is. So it will come down as it is. Now come to this question. So first we are going to solve the x values. So first put them together. So like this one. Now put them y's values together. Plus 1 by 3y plus y. And finally z's value will be written, that is plus 2 by 3 z. Now solve them by taking LCM. So these two values are going to be solved. 4 is the LCM. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. X will be there. Minus 4 1s are 4, 1 1s are 1. So 1x. Now plus is here. Take the LCM of these two values. LCM is 3. So 3 1s are 3, 1 1s are 1. So y will be there. Plus 1 3s are 3, 3 1s are 3. So 3y. And this 2 by 3z is the only value. So it will remain as it is. Now the final step, 2x minus x will be 1x. So 1 by 4x is the answer of this one. Look here now, 1y plus 3y will be 4y. So 4 by 3. So 4 by 3, y will be there. And this is the only value. So this will come down as it is. So 2 by 3 z. So this is the answer. Here is another type of the question from the lecture. So requirement is simplify. If you see different kinds of the brackets are involving in the question, like small brackets and capital brackets are there. At the same time, the thing to be noted is two kinds of the variables are involving in the question. So look now, we will proceed slowly towards right, and we will solve the small bracket first. So look now, 2x minus 3 will remain as it is. This 2 will be multiplied inside the bracket because small brackets are going to be opened. So it will become 10x minus 2y. This minus 4 will be multiplied inside the bracket. Because of this minus sign, these signs will be changed. So 4 7s are 28. And minus minus plus 4y is there. Capital bracket is still there because small brackets are opened. Now this minus 7 will remain as it is. Minus 3x minus will be remain as it is. Because of this minus sign, these signs will be changed. So minus x minus 6y. Capital bracket is there. So now we will solve the respective variables, and we'll open the bracket at the same time. Okay, do another step. So 2x minus 3, the things will be more easy for you. Then 10x minus 28x will be minus 18x, minus 2y plus 4y will be plus 2y. Capital bracket close. Minus 7 into 3x, sorry, 3x minus x will be 2x, minus 6y will be there, capital bracket close. Okay, at this stage, now we will open the capital bracket. So 2x minus, because of this minus sign, signs will be changed, and this 3 will be multiplied inside as well. So minus minus plus, 3 8s are 24, and 5x will be with it. Minus plus minus, 3 2s are 6, y will be with it. Now minus 7 is going to be multiplied inside, so it will be minus 14x. This minus minus plus, and 7 6 are 42y. At this stage, we are going to solve the respective variables. So 2x plus 54x will be 56x, minus 14 will be 42x. So 42x is the answer. Now y's variable is going to be solved. So minus 6y plus 42 will be 36 plus 36y. At this stage, look closely. If something is common, take that common. So 7, 2, 4, 2 stable. So 2 is common. So 21x plus 18y. So this is the most simplified form of the question. Here is another type of the question from the lecture. So look here, we are again required to simplify the question. Division sign is here, but in this question, multiply and division signs are there. So first we are going to solve this question. So first factor will be written as it is, that is 3a square b. This division sign is going to be converted into multiply and take the reciprocal of the next fraction. So 9ab square will come in the numerator and this 2 in the denominator. From here, cancel the values as maximum as possible. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3, and 3 3s are 9. 1a will be cancelled and 1b will be cancelled. So the remaining portion is now 2 3s are 6, and in the numerator we have b as well. Now in the denominator only a is there. So this is the simplified form of the question. Now come into this question. So look now, 121 x4 full square root is there. So 121 is the square root is the square of 11, and x4 is the square of x square. In the denominator, 49 is the square of 7, and y6 is the square of x3. The remaining portion will be remain as it is, 3x y square over 4z. Okay, convert this division sign into multiplication and take the reciprocal and open the bracket as well. So x square over y square will be written now y square over x square. At this step, now cancel the values as maximum as possible. So look now. Okay, no digits are cancelled. So 11 3s are 33. And 7 4s are 28. Now variables are going to be cancelled. So 2x will be cancelled here. So 1x, okay. In numerator we have 3x, and these 3x will be cancelled by these 3x. Okay, so x are cancelled in the numerator. Now come to the y square. No y is in the denominator and no z is in the numerator. So now simple the values. Y square will be y4. Okay, all values are solved in the numerator. Now in the denominator we are having x square into z. So this is the answer. Another type of the question in this lecture is find the sum of. These kind of questions normally come in paper, frequently come in the paper, in which some values are given, comma is there, like 3 values are there, and the requirement is find the sum. So in the next step, so this will be the question, this is the question. The next step will be, we will put plus sign in place of commas. So look now, plus sign is placed in place of the commas in the next step. So look now, the respective variables will be solved. There are 3 kinds of the variables: x cube, x square, and x, and digits are also there. So look now, first x cube values are going to be solved. So 8x cube plus 9x cube. So 8 plus 9 will be 17, and x cube will be written with it. Now solve the x square values. So 7x square plus 4x square. 7 plus 4 will be 11, and plus 8 will be 19. So plus 19, and x square will be placed with it. Now solve the x values. So only one value is there. So write it as it is. So 3x, and finally -1 and -4. These are the digits. So these will be solved separately. So -1 -4 will be -5. So this is the answer. Another type of the question is here, subtract this value from this value. So the method in this kind of question is, first the value which is written after the from will be written first, like 7x square plus 5x cube minus 4x minus 5 will be written first, and the value before the from will be written after, but minus sign will be there because we are going to subtract the value. So minus sign will be written there, and this value will be written after then, but in the bracket. Remember these steps. So 2x cube plus 5x square minus 4x plus 3. The next step will be open the bracket, but because of this minus sign, signs will be changed now. So 7x square, this full value will remain as it is. Because of this minus sign, signs are going to be changed. So at this step, respective values will be solved. First, we will solve the maximum variable. So x cube values will be solved first. So 5 minus 2 will be 3. So 3x cube. Then x square values will be solved. So plus 7 minus 5 will be 2. So 2x square. Now x values will be solved. So plus 4x and minus 4x are going to be cancelled. And finally the digits will be solved. Minus 5 minus 3 will be minus 8. So this is the answer of this question.